It's recording. Yep.
You rolling?
Yes.
Okay, so here I am. I want to put this crazy head, this on my Weedeater Featherlite SST.
It's a Weedeater.
25C. Yeah, 25C. Anyways, I want to put this on there, on this unit. However, if you don't have an owner's manual, you got to rely on YouTube to take you through this. But unfortunately, from what I'm understanding, from what I've seen being all through YouTube, they didn't have any of those videos. So I am the first. So here we go. Here is...
You want me to come closer?
Yeah, sure. Here is the Weedeater head that needs to come off to put this unit on. Yes? Okay, so what did I do? I thought, well, you know what? That's you got to stop this thing from going around. You won't be able to detach it. So there I am. I take this bolt out. I'm thinking this is how I'm going to do it. Well, if I stuck my screwdriver in there, and it didn't work. Okay, so once again, I still don't know how to do this because it's not on YouTube. Anyways, that's fine. So I thought, well, what am I going to do? And I stuck the screwdriver in, and I stuck the screwdriver there, and I stuck the screwdriver. Anyways, yeah,
that sounds wrong.
So I know it's wrong. Never mind. So I thought, well, I better take this puppy off here. So I hit those two little clamps here. There are the clips that are at the side, and I'm gonna. This is not.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
I can pause it if you need a moment.
No, that's all right. These two clamps, and I'm gonna unclip these units as soon as I am able to do that. There, I got it. See? You squeeze them, and they come out, and it clips. Those are the clips right there. Okay, good. Right. So I put that aside. Don't lose it. All right. So here's the head. So how am I going to get the head off? Well, unfortunately, I did not use YouTube. I went, and I don't have the owner's manual, so I had to go down, upload or download, whatever it is, download the owner's manual. So the owner's manual was saying, hey, you need to do blah. So as I said, I put the screwdriver in here. It didn't work. Put the screwdriver in here. I didn't think it worked because I'm looking at this going, that's all one unit. But hey, it's not. So what did I do? I didn't have a handy dandy screwdriver at the time, which I should have had. But I got my little unit here. See that? This needle nose pliers. And I lined up this. Now if you can just come on in here, you see there's this hole. If I rotate the hole, there's another hole that opens up. So I took this and I stuck that in there. Now, this you have to rotate clockwise, not counterclockwise, clockwise. And voila, it comes off. That's absolutely amazing. No? Yes.
They can't see your face.
That's okay. I don't want to see my face because, well, not all are pretty. But this is pretty because I figured out how to do it. Anyways, if I keep turning and turning and turning. Well, as you can see, what are you doing?
I'm trying to pick it up.
Okay, fine. So there it is. It's off. And that is the head. And I will now figure out from all these little bolts what needs to go on here so I can attach this puppy. Right?
Careful.
Pause.
Okay.
So the last time I left you, I took this off my Weedeater Featherlite SST25C.
Weedeater. Just say Weedeater.
Okay, fine. No, because of the model. Anyway, no matter. I took the original Weedeater head off of that. Right now, I'm going to put on the brush monster or whatever they call it. Anyways, it's the
murderer.
So yeah. So I have to. There we go. So it says to make sure that firstly you got to take all the little nuts out of the little bag, and you have to figure out which one is going to go on the shaft. Right, the best, okay, and you have to do it counterclockwise from the way you spin any other nut in the world.
Do you want me to come forward?
Right, because there, now that's the one that's going to work. And now on this one, so far this is the number 3, right? 3, it's on the side. 3, it's upside down. Never mind. 3. Okay, so you got to put that in the bottom with the shafty thingy. See, this is how you're going to put it on. This is the thing pointing, this is the ledge, this ledge pointing up. So I'm going to put this in the bottom. And as you can see, there's a hexagon shape there, and the nut fits in there. Hey, check it out, right? Right, now keep my finger on there, because if I don't, it's going to fall out. So I'm going to keep my finger on there too. And it comes with the washer, right? The washer is going to go over the shaft, right? So here we go. I'm going to put that puppy there. Yes? All right. I'm going to lift this up. And there's the shaft, yes? I'm going to put that on there just like that, and hopefully I won't drop it. Oop, there goes the nut. Never mind. You got to hold on to that nut. All right? And you got to spin it counterclockwise so that everything attaches onto the nut. And so far, it's there. You can hand tighten it, but that's not good enough. So you got to find that, the handy dandy thing that'll insert here again. You got to line up that hole. See what that hole is? All right, you got to line that up there. You got to stick that in there. Right, and then turn it clockwise, counterclockwise again. Make sure that's tight. Yes? On there like stink. These are sharp. Don't run your hands up anything. Okay, so back up. So we're all good. So that's how you change the head and put on the call us. No, that's wrong. I don't care. It's fine. See, heads. Cut anything down but a big oak tree. But yeah, so in a couple minutes maybe we'll spark her up and see how she operates. See you later.